Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to approve a pull request on GitHub. When you're working in a team on GitHub, pull requests are how changes get reviewed before they're added to the main project. Approving a pull request is an important step because it means you've reviewed the code and confirmed it's ready to be merged. To begin, open your browser and log into your account on GitHub. Once you're inside your dashboard, navigate to the repository where the pull request was created. You can get that by clicking on your profile section. Click on the repository name to open it. At the top of the repository page, click on the Pull Requests tab. This will show you a list of all open pull requests. Here, you can create a new pull request or select the pull request you want to review and approve. Before approving, it's important to review the changes carefully. Click on the Files Change tab to see a detailed view of what was added, removed, or modified. Take your time to go through the code and make sure the changes work as intended, there are no errors or issues, the code follows your project standards. If needed, you can leave comments on specific lines of code to give feedback or request changes. Once you're satisfied with the changes, click on the Review Changes button, usually located near the top right of the pull request page. You can also add a short comment if you want to provide feedback or confirmation. Your approval will now be recorded, and depending on the repository settings, the pull request may be ready to merge. Using GitHub pull request approvals helps maintain code quality and ensures that changes are reviewed before being added to the main branch. To summarize, approving a pull request on GitHub involves creating or opening the pull request, reviewing the changes, clicking Review Changes, and submitting your review. This ensures that code is properly reviewed before being merged. And that's how to approve a pull request on GitHub. Taking the time to properly review and approve changes is what keeps your code base clean, stable, and collaborative. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.